Welcome to week 9 of our spelling this week. This week our phoneme is EY. So that's a digraph is EY, 2 letters making one sound, as in the sound of E, as in key, monkey. So you can see the letters EY at the ends of the word, but we say it as E. So let's explore EY. So we've got some words here. They end in EY. We've got key, money, honey, donkey, monkey, valley, that's the space in between mountains, trolley, like our shopping trolley, turkey. And then the last 2 words are from the 100 most used words, said, here. So let's go through them again. Key, money, honey, donkey, monkey, valley, trolley, turkey. Said, here. Now I've got some words that have Y on the end, and the Y also makes the sound of E, but we can't see the E. The E should really be there if we were doing, but that doesn't look right, does it? That's why I say use your eyes. That does not look right, so we'll take away that E. Sunny, windy. Does the EY work there? No. So these are words that have Y on the end, make the same sound as EY, but we don't spell them with an EY. Sunny, windy, warmly, sweetly, funny, rocky, slowly, quickly. There are lots more words, but these are just examples. We'll go back to our EY. Key, money, honey, donkey, monkey, valley, trolley, turkey. Now let's go and have a look at our base words and see if we can add a prefix or a suffix to make a new word. Key. We can't add anything in front of key that makes a new word that I can think of, apart from turkey, but that's a whole new word. But we can add keys. So we've had an S for the suffix and we've got keys. Let's go to honey. Did we say honeys? No. Unhoney, der honey, miss honey. Not really. Honey, nope. Not really. Money, money. Money, we can say monies, but when we do, we have to change the EY in this situation. And we change it to, there's MON. We take the EY off and we add IES. That's monies. That's how we spell monies. Monkey. Same sort of thing as the key. Monkey. We can add an S and we have another word. Monkeys. So we really didn't find prefixes for these words to make a new word. And sometimes that happens. That's okay. How many phonemes? So we've got the word turkey here. Shall we count? Where are we? T, k, e. So this UR is a digraph. It's another digraph, just like EY is. So we've got T, k, E. How many phonemes? 4. Don't get them confused with digraphs. Pricey. Oh, the bananas are very pricey today. Let's break that down. P, r, the I there says s, e, y. Pricey. Let's go through it again. P, r, I. Oh, did I say e before? P, r, I, s, e. Pricey. Now I've run out of room here, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 phonemes with one digraph. Pricey. Dicey. And this is not a word people use very often, or that one really. Dicey, it means, not really sure about this one. It's a bit dicey. So we break that word down. D, I, s. Oh, did I do that? S. Dicey. D, I, s, e. 4 phonemes. Okay, so that's turkey, that's got 4 phonemes and 2 digraphs. Pricey has 5 phonemes and 1 digraph. Dicey has 4 phonemes and 1 digraph. So we need to practice, keep on practicing, breaking it down. Oh, we did that one, last one. How many phonemes? Let's go. This is key. So it's k, e-y, k, e. 2 phonemes. Money. Let's break that down. M, a, n, e, y. M, a, n, e. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 phonemes, 1 digraph. Same thing I would say with the word honey, because we've just changed the first letter. H, a, n, e. H, a, n, e. 4 phonemes, 1 digraph. Don't know if we're going to run out of room for monkey. Let's go. Monkey. M, a, n, k, e, y. Monkey. M, a, n, k, e. Monkey. 5 phonemes and 1 digraph. Okay, so they are our spelling words for the week. I didn't use all of them, as you can see. So our phoneme that we're concentrating on this week is EY, making the sound of E, as in monkey and monkey. So I would like you to do the first column in Monday spelling and then do rainbow spelling, please. Just follow the planner. Thank you.